Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the area and securing the camera. This prevents scratches and lost parts. Once the camera rests face down on a soft cloth, remove any external mounts or straps. Next, flip the rear latch up and find the small release tab near the hinge. Use your thumb to depress that tab while keeping the latch lifted. You'll feel a click. That click indicates the locking pin is disengaged. Make sure to keep steady pressure so components don't snap back unexpectedly. Once the latch is disengaged, you'll separate the two halves of the case. Hold the bottom half steady with one hand to stabilize the housing. This reduces strain on the hinge. With your other hand, grip the top half near the edges and pull it away in a smooth, controlled motion while keeping the latch open. If the halves resist, don't pry at the lens. Wiggle gently near the hinge to free tension. This method prevents cracks and keeps seals intact for future waterproofing. Now lift the camera straight out of the case to avoid catching buttons or ports. You want a clean vertical motion. Once free, inspect the O-ring and seals closely for sand, hair, or nicks. These cause leaks later. If you find debris, use a soft brush or compressed air, then wipe with a lint-free cloth. Do not stretch the O-ring. Finally, leave the case open on a towel until completely dry. If sealing fails later, recheck the O-ring seating and hinge alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.